Here is a problem posted by this lady named Belize. She has a problem integrating a chatbot for an Airbnb host. Hi everyone, I've been working on starting my AI automation agency, and I have found an Airbnb host that needs a chatbot to handle frequently asked questions and some other tasks. I originally thought I would make it as a WhatsApp assistant, but he asked me if I could implement it to Airbnb instead. By the way, WhatsApp has an API which allows you to do that. I know Airbnb does not support an internal chatbot, but he mentioned he uses a PMS called cross booking and said it could be implemented in cross booking, which I'm not sure is possible. Does anyone have any ideas on how to handle this request? Let's break this down. So what's the problem here? So the problem isn't the lady Belize, but is actually the Airbnb host instead. And the reason for this problem is because his brand exists entirely inside of an existing ecosystem, which is the Airbnb ecosystem. When an existing ecosystem should be used to provide leverage for a rental productized solution. And if we had to define the Airbnb business model, it's pretty much a productized solution for tenants. That's what it is. So how would the host be able to build a brand properly? With the momentum he already has with Airbnb placement, he can use it to start collecting testimonials and unique content around the documentation of his business at its current state and how it's evolving. Wouldn't this shift his focus away from the actual business, you may ask? The answer is no. He will be able to position himself as a solution rather than just an Airbnb, potentially decommoditizing his business model. Most Airbnbs are commodities, right? And you focus on just location. But doing this, he'd be able to decommoditize his entire business model. So, final question, how could the host decommoditize his business? I kind of answered that, but let's actually break it down entirely. So with an audience, he'd be able to survey or interview people who see the logistics of his operation, and he'd be able to collect feedback on improving the overall experience of his Airbnbs instead of just location capitalization alone. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this was valuable for you guys. If you guys want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button and I'll show up more often on your home feed. Thanks for watching. Take care.